Life is full of surprises. I was surprised to learn that you should not eat old cigarettes off the street.
What about new cigarettes?
17 minutes later. Cool board, Trash Bird. Can you do tricks?
Yes, look. Whoa. I like to give myself one compliment every morning. You look beautiful today, Trash Bird. Thank you.
Trash Bird, do you ever feel sad?
Yes, sometimes when I want food, I get a sad feeling in my stomach.
That's just being hungry, Trash Bird.
Perhaps hunger is a physical emotion, the body's own manifestation of a more primal sadness.
Hey, Trash Bird, check this out!
Trash Bird is only half impressed.
I'm only half impressed. Oh my god.
Trash Bird has released an album.
I cried because my soup was gone.
Trash Bird, will the fame go to your head?
Never. Today, I will learn math.
Math is very difficult, Trash Bird.
Not for someone with a calculator.
That's a piece of paper with fake numbers drawn on it.
I paid $40.
If you started with $60, how many dollars do you have left?
This is no time for riddles. Sometimes I get sentimental about... I guess sometimes I get sentimental about the new days, too.
Trash Bird, you get sentimental about everything.
Do you really think that? Life is so short, you know. What if we don't get to do all the stuff we want to do?
What stuff do you want to do, Trash Bird?
Basically nothing, but I would like to have the option.
Trash Bird, look! I learned how to make scones!
Well done, friend. You finally know what it's like to bring goodness into this world.
I also volunteer on the weekends and...
In these scones, you finally discovered the kindness of your heart.